Are you struggling with the task scheduler on Windows 10? You're not alone. Many users have faced issues after upgrading from Windows 7, and today we're going to help you solve this frustrating problem. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when you rely on the task scheduler for important tasks, only to be met with errors. It's especially annoying when everything worked perfectly before the upgrade. One user recently reached out with a specific issue. They need to run tasks using their personal user account due to permission requirements, but they keep encountering an error with the value 2147943726. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this. So what does this error mean? The error value 2147943726 typically indicates a permissions issue. This can happen when the task scheduler is unable to access the necessary resources with your user account. Let's explore how to fix this. Stick around, because at the end of this video, I'll share a crucial tip that can prevent this issue from happening again in the future. To begin resolving the issue with Task Scheduler, the user should first check the task's properties. This includes ensuring that the task is set to run with the highest privileges. Next, the user should verify that the task is configured to run using their personal user account. This is crucial for avoiding permission issues. Now, the user should check the conditions under which the task is set to run. It's important to ensure that the task is not set to start only under specific conditions that may not be met. Finally, the user should review the settings in the Settings tab. Here, they can adjust options that may prevent the task from running as expected. Fun fact, did you know that the task scheduler has been around since Windows 95? It's come a long way, but sometimes it still needs a little nudge to work properly. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One user found a solution by adjusting the task properties. They suggest going to the properties of the task, then under the General tab, look for the option labeled Configure For. Change this setting to match your system, such as Windows Server 2012 R2, and then hit OK. Don't forget to enter your password when prompted. Let's move forward and look at another answer. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests adjusting your local security policy. They recommend navigating to Control Panel, then System and Security, followed by Administrative Tools. From there, go to Local Security Policy, then Local Policies, and finally User Rights Assignment. Here, you should add the system user to the Log On as a batch job setting. That wraps up that answer. Let's move on to another one. An alternative solution from another user highlights that the issue may be related to an expired password policy. They found that the task scheduler enters a frozen state until a new password is set. The problem can be resolved by updating the password in the system. Let's take a look at another answer from another user. One user shared an alternative solution. They experienced a similar issue with Task Scheduler. The problem was linked to a password change for their username. They resolved it by editing the task and re-entering the password. Let's take a look at another answer from another user. An alternative solution from another user suggests checking your group policy settings. They found that a specific policy can prevent tasks from running correctly. Here's the tip I promised. Regularly check your task scheduler settings after updates. This simple habit can save you from future headaches and ensure your tasks run smoothly. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to resolve the task scheduler error and get back to running your tasks smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more troubleshooting tips.